All right, low-hanging fruit, boring, let's throw it away. YouTube AdSense, really cool. I'm glad to make 6 figures on YouTube. That's not even the coolest part of this video. It really isn't. So there are 2 reasons you're probably watching this video. 1, you genuinely want to know how much you can make as a YouTuber, or 2, you're nosy and you want to know how much I make on YouTube, both of which are totally fine. Because you know on the Robuilt channel, I try to be as transparent as possible about the money that I make and all of the things that are associated with running my different businesses and costs and stresses and successes and stressors. I already said that, didn't I? Tears of sadness and joy and all that kind of stuff. So today we're going to talk about how much I make on YouTube with 200,000 subscribers, because I just hit that huge milestone this week. And then also a huge thanks to my friend Jason, who sent me a bottle of the ever so fine Bake Kujira. I'd like to drink it on camera, but honestly I just want to enjoy it without the pressure of having to perform on YouTube. So just know that it's here, Jason. I appreciate you. So this has been a very common trend for the past couple years where YouTubers reveal how much they make. They talk about how much they make on AdSense, which are the different ads that might interrupt any given video on YouTube unless you have YouTube Premium, which Google gets paid for by brands, and then they give a little slice of that over to the creator. Now, crazy fact here, if you're pretty good at monetizing your channel, then you might be surprised to find out that AdSense is actually one of the smaller revenue streams that a YouTuber can have if they know how to properly monetize and leverage their brand. But with that said, there are 4 main ways a YouTuber makes money. 1, AdSense, which we just talked about. 2, brand deals. This is whenever I might do a 60-second integration on my channel, which brings me to today's sponsor, CoKeeper. Here, vacation rentals. Wealthfront.
Colon blow and new super colon blow.
Block advisors.
Affiliates, where you promote a specific product or service, and if someone clicks your links and buys it, you get a small commission for. And then lastly, products. For the purposes of this video and keeping everything relatively concise into a nice, crunchy 10-minute video for Caleb,
False.
we're gonna be focusing on the first 3. So let's get into YouTube AdSense first. I wanna just get that number out there because I know everyone's like, just tell us the freaking numbers, man. We're so tired of waiting. Why do you YouTubers always talk 5 minutes before they get to the good stuff? And now let's go to an ad. See, it was that easy. Unless you had YouTube Premium, then this is kind of a weird joke. But let's get into my YouTube platform here and see how much money I make. All right, so before I reveal how much money I make on YouTube, just wanted to say that I'm about to give you some pretty personal financial info here, and I'm happy to do that. All I ask in return is that you hit the like button so that YouTube thinks, oh, hey, people really like this video. Let's continue to share it and help Rob go viral. Deal? All right, so let's get into the portal here and I'll show you how much I've made in the last 28 days. You can see here, that is about $16,314.04, which is pretty good. Honestly, that alone would have been a record for me my whole YouTube career had it not been for the record that I set last month. So you'll see here 2 relatively important metrics. There's CPM, which is cost per thousand. Basically, a CPM is how much a brand will pay Google for every 1,000 views on your channel. And then RPM is revenue per thousand, and that's basically your cut of it. So I get $25.35 on average for every 1,000 views I get on the channel. And so just in this month alone, I've had a few pretty big days. Yesterday, I made $763.34, $853, $743, my lowest here, $451. Dang, you know, whatever. I think I'm okay with that. $729, $701, $729, $701, $664, and then $885 on the highest day just in the last 28 days. So now let's see what I actually made in July, which was the last full month that I've had on the channel. In July, which is really crazy, by far my record-setting month here, $19,343.38. So just looking at my lowest day here, about $462, and then my highest day, $1,126.23, which is really insane to say that with all the videos that are currently churning for me in my YouTube catalog, I went to sleep and the next day when I woke up, it was $1,100. Oh, actually, I guess my lowest day here was like $300. So here's the deal. I broke a record this month, and it's not always gonna be this good. I happened to hit the algorithm. 1 or 2 of my videos took off. You can actually see right here on the right that the top earning content was, this is how much my tiny house has made, and that made me just in this month $3,233. However, that video was released like 6 months ago, so just randomly it went viral again. I don't really know why. It happens every so often with my tiny house video, so I can't complain. And then you'll go to June, which was my record at that time. That comes up to $13,316.21. And then you can kind of just see it all wrapped up in this little report right here. So in August, it's mid-August right now, so far we've made $9,057, July $19,347, June $13,316, May $12,656, April $9,347, and then March $10,123. So really just all around outstanding. I'll just say that my March and April numbers are a little bit more common. That's what I've been expecting from the channel. You can actually see a full overview right here. So let's see, $93.47, $10,123, then in February $6,300, January $8,000, December $6,300, November $6,500, $6,700. September, again, a video took off for me, $11,121. That to me was a record-breaking month, and I was like, whoa, I will never top that for so long. And then here we are, not even a year later, and I've already destroyed that record. And then the month before that, 4,700 bucks. So relatively steady growth. It's not exactly linear. We have some ups and downs, but for the most part, you'll see that it does steadily go up, right? Down, plateau, plateau, up, down, up, up. So all in all, a very healthy projection, and then it dips back down to 9,000 because we're only halfway through this month. Now I want to turn your attention to how much I've made over the course of the year. So we can do that. We can go to 2022, and you'll see that so far I've made $88,287.39. We're only 8 months into the year. Now with the way that the channel is growing and everything is going, I expect I'll probably be making around $10,000 a month. So we'll call it 4 more months of that on the conservative side, and we'll say that I'm going to end the year at around $128,287.39. Now to get too specific here, I'm just extrapolating. All right, low-hanging fruit, boring, let's throw it away. YouTube AdSense, really cool. I'm glad to make 6 figures on YouTube. That's not even the coolest part of this video. It really isn't. Now let's talk about brand deals, because that's the second way that YouTubers can monetize their content and how they can even exceed your AdSense. So I've went in and tallied up mostly my brand deals. I think I'm missing like a couple, but roughly speaking, so far I've made $71,500 from brand deals. That means a brand will pay me to do a 60-second or a 90-second integration on the channel. You know, I actually think it's closer to $75,000 when you consider some of the products I've gotten and everything like that. Like I said, I have this documented somewhere, but I needed to record this video. So for now, just to keep it easy, so far I'm looking at about $75,000 in brand deal income. And here's the cool part. I expect to make about another $50,000 or so. So that would put me at the $125,000 mark just on brand deals, right? So AdSense, $128,000, brand deals, $125,000. Not bad. You know, when I first started the channel, I think the first brand sponsorship I ever took was about 1,500 bucks. And that was so much money to me at the time. I mean, it's not now, but I certainly don't charge that anymore. And I remember when I was taking the 1,500 bucks, I was like, man, if I can get 10 of those a year, that's an extra $15,000. That's gonna be a game changer for me. And then fast forward to 2 years later, and I'm making almost 10 times what I thought I could make. So all to say, not to get too sappy, I'm just gonna say this really fast, and then we're gonna move on, and we're gonna pretend like I didn't get sappy on the camera. And just say, dreams do come true, folks. Don't forget that. Don't let anyone tell you that dreams don't come true, because they do. Brand deals, second low-hanging fruit. Take it, throw it out, never talk about it again. Not nearly as cool as what I'm about to talk about, and that's affiliates, okay? What exactly is an affiliate? The way an affiliate partnership basically works is a brand will say, hey, influencer or content creator, or whatever you want to call yourself. I'm not an influencer, I consider myself a content creator, which is, I don't know, we don't have to, and they'll say, hey, if you promote our product and your promotion leads to conversions of sales or new clients, we will pay you a commission. Now there are different commission structures. I'm about to hop into my Amazon portal right here just to show you. So Amazon pays a 3% commission, not just on merchandise that I sell, but if someone clicks a link on a product that I promote, Amazon will actually give me credit for anything they buy for the next 24 hours. So this actually started out very small. I think originally I was making like 100, 200 bucks a month. And then I just really started to think about how I could really amp this up. And just through strategizing and monetizing and giving away free content, the Amazon affiliate game has really gone to the next level. And I went from basically making $100 to $200 a month to $3,000 to $4,000 to $5,000 to $6,000 to $7,000 to $8,000, and then I think last month I made $12,000, and then now total for 2022. Drum roll, Caleb, drum roll, please. Okay, so far in 2022, just based off of Amazon affiliates, I have made $50,123.14. That's right, when I promote Amazon products or products that I recommend or different furniture items that I might put in my Airbnb, and then someone goes and they buy that piece of furniture and then they say, hey, I wanna buy $7,000 worth of gear. I get 3% for that. So with that in mind, I've made $50,000 just from Amazon in 2022. And here's the cool part, you don't have to actually be a big YouTuber. You don't have to be a big famous YouTuber to make tens of thousands of dollars on Amazon. You could literally start a channel today and review nothing but electric bikes or cycle bikes, Pelotons or MacBook Pros or expensive gear. Do your reviews and say, hey, here's my review of it. If you want to support my channel, click the link down below and I'll get a small commission from it. And then you can make commission just from doing those types of videos. I know several people that do it that make tens of thousands of dollars doing it. So you don't have to have a big channel. You just have to have a lot of effort. It's a lot of effort to be a YouTuber. People don't realize that. There's a lot of work that goes into it. If you're willing to put in the work, you can make 6 figures, as you've seen here. So based on averages here, I think I'm gonna make about another $7,000 a month, so another $28,000 in Amazon, putting me at a total of $78,000 for the year off of Amazon affiliates. Let that one sink in. I'm still just like, what? As Barry would say.
What?
Now moving on to another set of affiliates. Amazon's just one. That's like the low-hanging fruit, remember? We just tossed that, we'll never see it again. I also promote different services that I use in my different businesses, the Airbnb, short-term rentals, different platforms that I like and I use, and I was recommending anyway. I can get a kickback when I help people enroll in those services. So far on different softwares and services and SaaS products and things in the Airbnb space, I've made about $25,000 in commissions there. And by the end of the year, I'm expecting it to be about another 10. So we'll probably wrap up 2022 with about $35,000 in commissions from different softwares and services. And then the last one, and this is the chunky daddy, all right? This is a big one that really is a game changer for me from my livelihood standpoint and just from the standpoint of my affiliate strategy, okay? And that's Airbnb. When I help people sign up, Airbnb pays me a fee to do that. To date, I have made roughly $457,153. Now that is 2021 and 2022 combined. The majority of that has come in 2022. I think this year so far, we're around the $300,000 mark. I can just show you really fast from the last couple of months. August, you can kind of see all these payments going through. These are not for my Airbnb reservations. I think my Airbnb reservations, it's a lot more than this, but there are costs associated with those businesses, whereas affiliates, it's 100% profit. So just in the last, we'll call it 5 months. Yeah, so just in the last 5 months or so, I've made about $200,650 and one little cute, adorable cent right there. And I started a new bank account specifically for affiliates, but before that I had it going to a different one, which is why this number isn't bigger, but you can see here, $200,000 since March 22nd. So that means I was making money on affiliates for 3 months that aren't recorded on this specific bank account. So I think based on how everything is going right now, I expect to finish the year at around $420,000. Spark up that bank account, dude. $420,000 just on Amazon affiliates. Again, I gross a lot more than that, but to me, I think it's a dream come true that I can help people start their Airbnb businesses, help their dreams come true, and make money doing it. That's one of my favorite things ever. So when you add up what I've made so far, just in this year alone, we're looking at $375,000. By the end of this year, based on extrapolating the data, averaging some things out, by the end of this year, I will be closer to $500,000. So if you add up those 3 categories, AdSense, brand deals, and affiliates, you'll see that I didn't just make $88,000 on YouTube. What was it exactly? $88,287. I've actually made, when you throw in brand deals and affiliates, I've actually made $538,287.39, not to be too specific, on YouTube so far, because AdSense is just one component of it. But I've been really busting my ass to monetize every single aspect of my channel because this is my passion. This is what I like to do. It's fun for me to do that. And so if I can continue to grow the platform, then it helps pay for investing in the channel, in hiring, getting new gear, and making the Robuilt channel as great as it could possibly be. So that's the real numbers, $538,000. But based on what's coming through the pipeline and what I know is currently in the works just for 2022, I should end the year roughly at $746,287. That's with my affiliate games doing their thing, if I continue to make money on YouTube, and if the brand deals that I'm working on come through. So we'll just round it up to $750,000 because that looks a lot better on a thumbnail and a title. And I'm pretty sure we're gonna exceed the $746,000. So I'm calling it. I'll give you an update at the end of the year if that's something you guys wanna see. That's it. That is how much money I make from YouTube. And no, it's not purely AdSense, but I do think it's really important to show you the whole picture here because AdSense is just step one. If you're interested in starting a YouTube channel and you're not really sure what kind of gear you need, I've got a little PDF that you can download that'll tell you what kind of gear you need if you're a beginner YouTuber, intermediate, expert, all that kind of stuff. And guess what? Spoiler alert, not only is that a valuable PDF that will show you the gear that you need, but if you click those links and you buy that gear, you support my channel through affiliates. Wow, this just came full circle. Thank you guys, really, thank you. $750,000 a year from YouTube because of you, because of what you've done for me, the way you've supported me. The doors that it's opened up are something that I truly could never imagine. Thank you for 200,000 subscribers, and here's to 200,000 subscribers more. Okay, catch you on the next episode of Robuilt. Bye.